Philippines Butuan, that you're part of LGBT?
Actually, hindi ko masasabing sumusunod lang ako sa uso. Kasi when I was like prep or like grade 1, yung crush ko talagang mga girls na. So yeah. And actually, being part of the LGBT, it's not that easy. Because way back, yung nag-start ako na sumali nung, ano ba, when I was grade 9, nagsali ako sa isang pageant sa school. I feel like I wasn't included that time. So I feel like, okay, is this really the pageant thing? Na parang hindi ako nilalapitan ng girls. Kasi alam nila na part ako ng LGBT. So they were like, okay. Kasi hindi pa super tanggap.
That time,
That
nung
time,
nag-school ka.
nung nag-school.
Alam ba, paano mo ito na-open sa parents mo, sa mga loved ones mo, sa mga relatives mo?
Okay,
Yeah,
so
sa friends, of course.
hindi na need nila malaman kasi it shows. I'm a boyish one.
Ah, boyish ka before.
Super boyish. Super. Like all of my sports actually, fun fact, basketball. I mean, I did gymnastics, but I also did like taekwondo, running, volleyball, so I'm a sporty one.
But you're here in Miss Universe Philippines with
Yup.
makeup, glam,
Yeah.
and girl na girl ka ngayon.
Yeah.
So,
A lot of
iba
people
yung-
were shocked actually na naging part ako dito kasi hindi mo talaga akalain na sasali ako kasi I was really boyish, like cargo pants, like big t-shirts, ganun talaga yung formahan ko sa school. So like,
So, anong feeling na, of course, you're all glam up with the makeup, sa ganyan, in Miss Universe Philippines. So, paano yung adjustment? Paano yung atake, ganyan?
at first, sa mga pageant ko, talagang laking shift eh. Laking shift from this boyish to the girly one. And right now, ini-enjoy ko na siya. I love being glammed. I love being beautiful. So yeah.
So, paano mo siya pinursu? I mean, ano yung, what made you decide na, sige, mag-focus na ako dito sa pageantry,
Oh, okay.
especially Miss Universe Philippines?
So, the starting point was really a school pageant. Nung ano kasi, yung last pageant ko sa Ormoc City, medyo na-trauma ako. Kasi nga yung past experience ko, na parang I wasn't feel included. Tapos nung sa part na Q&A na hindi ako nakasagot ng tama, gano'n. Tapos I was like, okay, hindi ako para sa pageant. Okay, I will stay in this path, which is the sports. So, dumating ako sa point na nung lumipat kami sa Butuan City, doon na pinush ako ng teacher ko na, go! Sali ka kasi nalaman nila na nagpa-pageant ako before. So they were like, okay, go ka. Meron kang mukha, meron kang body, you have the brain. So just try. So I won sa school namin. So parang yung confidence ko bumalik. So doon talaga ako nag-start until like nag-start ako sa school, sa barangay, sa Prisaa, yes. And then sa city, municipality, an open pageant, and here I am.
As winner,
Yep.
after that, na-aksidente ka daw.
I no, not the
No.
Miss Universe one. Yung pageant ko po, after nung na-crowned ako sa Miss PECIT, which is the first one in
Ayun,
Butuan.
I see.
So after that, I screened for this barangay pageant. And then when it was announced that night, I got into an accident that made...
After the announcement of,
Yeah.
after the coronation.
No. After the announcement that I was one of the official candidates. Like announcements sa social media na, okay,
you're part of
yeah.
the pageant. Na-aksidente yung kinabukasan.
No, that night talaga.
night.
Kasi night yun nag-announce eh. So,
Okay.
like,
Pero
pauwi
napurso mo
ako.
yun?
Yup. It was hard. Like, really, really hard. Kasi wala akong ngipin that time. 9 of my teeth got removed because of that accident. So, talagang malala.
Pero na-push mo pa rin yun.
Pinush ko. Kasi gusto ng mother ko. So, pinush ko talaga.
Grabe.
Yeah, grabe talaga.
So, last question. What's your advocacy?
Oh, my advocacy actually is for women. Women empowerment talaga.
Women empowerment.
Yeah.
I see. Thank you, girl. Ganda. Pinay na Pinay.
Thank
Salain
you.
naman sa mga taga-Butuan.
Hello mga taga-Butuan. Of course, I would want to greet you all, and of course, I want you all to support my journey. Let's be together and please support me and vote for me. Thank you.
Thank you, girl.
Thank you po.